Vowels. O, U. Lesson objectives. Recognize how to pronounce the sounds of the letter O and U. Differentiate between uppercase and lowercase letters. Differentiate between short and long vowel sounds. Learn how to write the letters O and U. Hello everyone. Look at the bubbles. Do you remember what those letters are called? Excellent! They are vowels. Let's read them together. A, E, I, O, U. Great job! Today we will learn about two of these vowels, O and U. Are you excited? Let's start. Let's start with the letter O. This is the uppercase O, and this is the lowercase o. Do they look the same? No! The lowercase o is smaller than the uppercase O. This vowel has two sounds. Get ready to learn how to pronounce it. This is a rope. Did you hear the word? The word is rope. This word has the long O sound. O. Rope. Look at this beautiful home. The word home has the long O sound. O. Home. Oops! There is a hole. Did you hear the long O in the word hole? Listen again. O. Hole. Let's read the words again. Rope, home, hole. Can you say the O sound with me? O. O. Awesome! The water is boiling in the pot. The word pot has the short O sound. Listen again. Ah, pot. Look at the fire. We can't touch the fire because it's hot. Hot. The word hot has the short O sound. Ah, hot. Here is a big rock. Did you hear the short O sound in rock? Ah, rock. Let's read the words again. Pot, hot, rock. Can you say the ah sound with me? Ah, ah. Wonderful! Now we will learn how to write the letter O. Are you ready? Hold your pencil to write the uppercase O. We start at the top and make a big circle to the left. To write the lowercase o, we start in the middle and make a small circle to the left. Did you do it right? Good job!